Hello everyone, my name is Tsermaa Nyamdavaa. Today I'm going to talk about Hustai National Park managing biodiversity in the home of Mongolian native horses field school. The field school will take place between July 29th and August 11th. First, I will provide a brief introduction of our 6 instructors. Now, let me introduce myself. I work as an instructor in the Department of Public Administration, National University of Mongolia. Also, I'm a PhD candidate in Natural Resources and Sustainability Program, University of Alaska Fairbanks. Currently, I'm completing research on the implementation of community-based natural resource management principles within the buffer zone at the Hustai National Park, Mongolia. Dr. Usukhjargal, would you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. My name is Usukhjargal. I am wildlife and wild horse biologist, research and training manager of the Hustai National Park. The Hustai National Park is the reintroducing Birzhevsky's horse since 1992 until now. It means the 31 years, and I'm working as a biologist in Hustai since 2002 for 21 years, and my bachelor study about the breeding success of the Mongolian steppe ecosystem, the raptors, and master's thesis about the large ungulate management and protected areas management of the central Mongolia, and PhD topic about the population dynamic and influencing factors of the Birzhevsky's horse in a Hustai National Park. And I'm happy to organize and participate this summer school in our national park. And for the national park is close to Ulaanbaatar, the 50,000 hectare. The protecting the nature is a 30 years experience, and all of the method and methodology to count and estimate the wildlife population and the analyze everything goes very well in our national park.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Usukhjargal. Mr. Byambadorj, would you introduce yourself as well?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself briefly. My name is Byambadorj. You can call me Byamba shortly. I work at the Hustai National Park from 2005 to 2015, almost 10 years, as a social economist and training and buffer zone manager. In that time, we implemented the Netherlands government-funded projects with the 3 phases, which called the Hustai National Park, its buffer zone sustainable development. During this period of work, we have managed sustainable livelihood development in the buffer zone of Hustai National Park. And I would like to just mention that some activities that have been successfully implemented, for example, in the frame of income generation activities, buffer zone soft loan, for example, for the residents who live in the buffer zone area. Also, community-based tourism development, including the handicrafts, also greenhouse gardening, green fodder growing, meat, milk, cashmere and wool, value chain development. In frame of social institutions, for example, kindergarten, school, hospitals, and local administration, and so on, for strengthening for the collaboration with the Hustai National Park administration. In terms of environmental challenges, for example, in pasture degradation around the Hustai National Park, including, of course, pasture carrying capacity, and it's a management, how to manage, how to understand, how to make a decision, and how to come to the same page of the understanding of the pasture. The above mentioned all activities were for the mitigate the negative impact for the Hustai National Park from the other sites. Now I have been working in the environmental and agricultural both sectors as a leader of the two private entities, and I'm happy to be part of this training program instructor. And thank you for your time, and also happy to share my knowledge to the second session field school participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Byambadorj. Now I will introduce rest of the instructors. Next instructor is Mr. Usukhjargal. He is working as a wildlife biologist and protection manager with Hustai National Park since 2012. And next instructor is Dr. Tsermaa. She works as a botanist at the Hustai National Park, Mongolia. Then we will have an assistant during the field school. Mr. Batsaya Tsokt will play assistant role. He has been working as a wildlife and wild horse biologist of the Hustai National Park since 2019. Before delving into key aspects of our field school, I will provide a basic understanding of Hustai National Park. The Hustai National Park is one of the national parks in Mongolia. The park was established to implement the reintroduction of Przewalski horses in Hustai Mountain in 1992. The Przewalski horse is a rare and endangered species of horse. Also, the Przewalski horse is considered to be the last surviving species of wild horse in the world. Currently, world's largest number of Przewalski horse exist in Hustai National Park. The total population of Przewalski horse in Hustai National Park reached over 400 this year. Also, the park supports other important wildlife, including red deer, Mongolian gazelle, Argali sheep, marmots, and gray wolves. The field school focuses on three key aspects. Firstly, the participants will explore biodiversity conservation at Hustai National Park. Especially, the participants will spend valuable time in Hustai National Park by learning its important biodiversity and conservation initiatives. Also, the course will offer a great opportunity to obtain a comprehensive understanding of park's unique attributes, including its management strategies and innovative wildlife conservation methodologies. Through hands-on fieldwork, the participants will engage in observation and study of Przewalski horses, along with other awe-inspiring species such as Mongolian elk, gazelles, Argali sheep, marmots, and gray wolves. Also, participants will get involved in crucial activities like vegetation biomass assessments, refining their skill in ecological research techniques to effectively collect and analyze crucial data supporting conservation endeavors. The second key aspect of our field school is community-based conservation. Through exploring the concept of community-based conservation, we will examine its profound implication within both the park and its adjacent buffer zone area. Also, we will witness first-hand the positive outcomes of sustainable resource management on local communities' livelihood, including herders, by visiting local enterprises such as eco-tourism enterprises, community-scale cheese factory, and sustainable sea-buckthorn horticulture operations. Additionally, the participants learn about how community-based rangeland management has been implemented within the buffer zone and the importance of implementing community-based rangeland management within the buffer zone. The third crucial aspect of our field school is related to Mongolian traditional culture. This expedition will also transcend scientific exploration, offering a rich cultural immersion experience. Participants will take place in traditional festival, visit the Kandam Monastery, and explore the Mongolian National History Museum. The course will provide the participants the essence of Mongolian ancient traditions and heritage by making participants to engage with other families, along with practicing cultural activities like horse and camel riding, traditional food making, and participation in traditional games as well. At the end, participants will witness innovative solutions in action through a visit to the Mongolian Byambadorj project, showcasing a traditional approach to combat certification and conserve vital rangeland.